Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So I think I'm going to start this video off with with a purchase. Maybe. Cause it looks like actually hold up. No, never mind. Forget I said what I said. Forget I said what I said. It was looking like we were sweeping liquidity, but I just looked and I realized we actually already not on the cues. Disregard what I said though. I'ma hold off. XO Cole top of the morning. Chase top of the morning. Hey, I don't know. I thought I had one, but then I was like, oh, hold up. Need to reframe. So looking at it right now, I'm on the 1 hour. Let me take a quick look at the 4 hour as well. It looks like we're pulling back towards the demand zone. We might be able to close the gap. We might be able to ride down. Let me go back to 1 hour, see what it looks like. So there is a demand zone, a 1 hour demand here. So there might be able to be some kind of retracement from this level. It should we come down here. So right now, this is going to be an area of interest for the SPY. And because this is on the 1 hour, this will be something that we would expect to be able to play out within a few hours. So should we come back to this? That might be the play, but we'll see. Mahishu, good morning. Is it too late for SPY puts? Here, we're going to have SPY up on a different time frame as well. I'm going to look at it on a few different time frames. So here, SPY. So it has lost momentum. I don't know. I like the idea of it if it like retests like the 529.50, 5 or not 629.50, 629 or 630 area. I like the idea of a retest for it to come to the downside, but the volume has kind of slowed. It is oversold on some time frame, so I would want to see a pullback first. So I do think it can come down more, but like right now, I would look for some kind of like pullback before coming down. Mahishu, good morning. I said that already, but good morning again. Tay, you said NQ buys. I have nothing to say to that. 619 SPY. That's a good level to go for some, like maybe potentially calls. I don't know, but yeah, that's I would say it depends on your time frame, bro. College investor, top of the morning. That was going all right. Can you explain to me why the IV on ticker open for? I've read the 8K statement and they ain't selling houses like that. The IV is high like that because people are expecting, there are a lot of people interested in it and they think it can move big. Beyond that, I can't really say much. But that is why it's like that. Janky, top of the morning. And good morning. D Scurv, good morning. Oh yeah, Palantir did his thing last night. Definitely did his thing. Let's see where they are right now. Alright, so they're back in that range. Oh yeah, they did their thing. George, top of the morning. right, let's bring it on down. Mommy, good morning. Anella, good morning. Yeah, we did a whole lot of selling this morning. Morning riding a spy put currently. I think it keeps selling off. It's still in the downtrend. This hasn't even gotten back above the 13 EMA on the 5, so I would feel comfortable if I were still in it. Georgie, good morning. Oh yeah, it looks like we're trying to come make a new low a day. All right, so hey, we might have to hold out to actually the 4 hour low. We got some liquidity down here. Kind of see what happens down here, but yeah, because it looks like we're selling. Volume's still kind of low though. Levi, top of the morning. MVTS is down 17%. That's good. Good for all the long-term movers. UNH act like it's trying to not anything crazy, but it acts like it's trying to catch a little life. But it popped up to 249. I'm needed to chill out a little bit. Let's go up to a 4. Oh no, it's still holding to the downside for now. What else we got? My life be like, hey, top of the morning, how goes it all? Let's see if we can capture those dollars today, man. Yeah, let's see. Got a whole lot of selling off going on. Let me come up to a... Yeah, some stuff have got some good little haircuts, price-wise. Or at least from all-time highs, not necessarily anything I'm like, yo, let me hop on and buy, but see some stuff got some solid pullbacks. All right, we got volume going back up on the SPY on the 5 minute. It's nothing like crazy, but the volume is going up, as opposed like as compared to like the last four candles on the 5 minute on the SPY. So if this turns out like to be, I guess, green, then it might be getting ready to reverse. Otherwise, it might be getting ready to pick up some steam. Still selling off. Q's is at the low of day. Palantir's at the 13 EMA on the 1 hour. So potential area of support for Palantir. What do you think about Hood puts? I'm currently holding Robinhood puts. I had grabbed some on Friday. We can like reevaluate, but let's see. Yeah, I'm down on mine. I like bottom at the bottom, but let's see. This like 107 area is kind of area of resistance. It's still like right now it's still holding above the trend line. So based on the 4 hour, when it comes to entry, I wouldn't necessarily take an entry right here, but if we drop down to a lower time frame, they're kind of like right in the middle on the 1 hour with the RSI. Lower time frames, I see they're closer to being oversold than overbought. So I don't necessarily see anything like telling me like, hey, it's a good spot to get in. I don't necessarily see anything just like we are crossing on the 15 minute 13 and 48 EMA, but I don't necessarily see anything that's like would lead me to get in. But I do have a put on Hood, and it's like for a much lower level, but that was kind of based on what I thought was going to happen, I think, over here. So I want to say for like the 22nd. So right now that Robinhood put I have is like I still want to hold it with like kind of the same thought I had, because I think the market can still, I think the market's going to push down further, but now I might want more time. Very welcome, Jack. Could you go over the, okay, so I just did that. I bought today, currently up 37. Oh, nice. If you're already in, that's cool. I hope you get a bag, because yeah, I got puts for like the 90 strike. Here, let me go up to like a morning like, hey, appreciate you, Ubaka. Appreciate you smashing that like. All right. Here, let's go up to yeah, very, very oversold on the weekly, so, or overbought on the weekly. Also notice, wait, what's the date? Tuesday? Okay, I can't really comment much on the volume, but here's a little weekly support for downside on Robinhood. So the volume on the weekly is increasing to the downside on Robinhood. So yeah, with the last 2 weeks, selling pressure on Robinhood. This could be the third. This could take us below. Last week we kind of got a wick down here. We could actually close this week out below. So I would be interested to see where this week closes. If we don't close out below, maybe a decent idea, probably a good idea to close out of that Robinhood. But beyond that, I was up 110 on SPY, then lost. Oh yeah, we gotta. It's part of the game, but just you'll never take an L taking profits. That's all I can say. It definitely hurts, but yeah, it's definitely part of the game as well. That is moving with Bitcoin ever since they made that deal, so I'm hoping for a little more downside. Oh yeah, that would be clean. Yeah. Sometimes I forget about that. Yeah, it kind of moves with crypto. Elegant boom, top of the morning. All right, so we're kind of doing some stagnating here. We might end up reversing here. Let me go up to a. Oh well, I already have the 15 up here. Might catch another downside move. I don't necessarily see any moves I love on the SPY. I don't know if there are any other stocks. Let me see what. Because I'm not seeing like anything that I fully feel like waiting for. I don't see anything I find to be worth it setup wise. Here, I want to take another look at Amazon though. I was looking at Amazon this morning. They appear to have kind of. Oh, their volume's kind of low though. No. Was up 480 on Meta last. Oh yeah, that's tough. That is tough. I think I asked this a minute ago, but I still need some advice. I keep getting out of contracts too early. Today I sold my SPX put. So I it's like after you've kind of got in, like if you're up, maybe you've hit your target, maybe you think it can keep going. If you have been in a trade long enough for it to push anywhere, see if you can draw a trend line on it. See if you can, like, if you can't draw a trend line on it, turn on the EMA on a lower time frame, like the 5 minute. If you haven't rode it as far, turn it on for something like the 1 or 2 minute, and that'll at least give you something to watch for. Because it's like, say I was in this SPY trade and I don't say it swept something up here, and I was like, okay, I can ride a 630, but it still has strength. And it's like, okay, I'll get out whenever, like I rode it from here to here. I'll get out whenever we come back to the 5 EMA. Me trying to ride to like this 629.50 level and saying, oh, you know what, I'll do it whenever we cross over the 5 EMA. The 629.50 is now like at most going to be 628.22. So it's like that is extra time that I rode just by having this 13 EMA to kind of ride. So that's one way to do it. But the other thing that you have to consider is the fact that sometimes at the levels you're looking at taking profits, you can also get these violent reversals as well. So it's like if you're going to keep riding and you don't have multiple contracts and you can like scale out of, just know the risk you're taking on if you don't have some sort of like stop loss in the distance or anything like that. All right, what's up, M Sense? Top of the morning. What's up, bro? Happy to see you're still on the line. Hey, yeah. Hey, I'll be here. Oh, I need to let y'all know I'm not going to be here tomorrow. Like once again, yeah, we'll not be here tomorrow. No live stream tomorrow. Yeah, if y'all would like any recommendations, hey, I'll be happy to make some recommendations of places y'all can go and listen to the stream. But beyond that, hey, nothing. I will not be here, unfortunately. Tony Math hit the likes. 2/3 of the people have not. Tony Math. That's hey, Tony Math is doing the math. It's kind of wild. Yo, hey, be sure to smash the like button. Oh. Best thing also, as you make profit is good because you might be affected by a psychological issue. It's a process until you will be more. Hey, for real. Do we get notifications when you go live? So if you have the notifications turned on, yes. If not, no. But I go live every day, except for tomorrow, at 10:30 a.m. Central Time. So whatever time zone you're in, 21 minutes ago, that's when I go live. So if you look for me about the same time every day, that's when I'll be live. And then also, but tomorrow, it's an outlier. I will not be live. I have like a little conference thing to go to. So I will not. I'm not even sure I'll be able to get a video out or anything. I'll try to get a video out tomorrow, but we'll see. I appreciate that, Linus. Sometimes, and then if for some reason you're not getting the YouTube or the notifications after that, I don't know why YouTube I don't know what's up with them sometimes. They kind of slip with the notifications. House committee issues subpoenas for Epstein files, depositions with Clintons and other officials. Let's see. The subpoena sets up a potential clash between congressional Republicans and President Donald Trump, who has dismissed the investigation as a distraction, highlighting immediate tensions. Okay. Tesla sales in Britain and Germany fall by more than 55% as China's BYD soars. Okay. I'm late. Steve, I'm late. Eminem, good morning. Hey, top of the morning, Steve. Nunette, good morning. Wondering if we can consider calls for Nvidia or SPY sometime. Uh, honestly, it looks like we have the potential for a reversal right now, but like it's looking like honestly it could be a continuation. Cause right now I'm seeing like I see this range right here, but also I don't know. It's like right now I would look more toward the continuation because the trend is down on the day. I don't nothing's like clear. It's like it can go up. If I had to call the highest I would probably be looking to ride would probably be like I don't know 629 like 70 or so. Cause we might push up a little bit here, but I think we could also pull back after that. I don't know. Been loving the setups for the SPY recently. Yesterday was no setup, but had a good entry for push today. Yeah, I was not here at open, but I saw the way the market looked. I'm like, dang. I'm like that thing. I'm like it pulled back, or actually, it's not like too crazy, but it's trying to set multiple trends within what it's doing. But like the full on game plan on SPY is after this 4 hour candle closes, there is some liquidity up here at 637 that it's going to need to come back for at some point. And then also taking a look at it, here what's this? We got this range right here. Nope, okay. I Yeah, I don't know what this is because we already swept liquidity over here. So there is a 1 hour demand zone at this kind of area, which it could find a little volume for. But as of right now, we're just not much is going on. Also, top of the morning. Ricky Ron, good morning. Looking like hey, we're testing that 13 EMA on the 5. Got some low volume. We'll still be on the lookout. I have a question. Do you think trading futures, they don't have as much volume as the stock market? So when it comes to futures when it comes to futures, I think it's different because to my knowledge, they have a specific value. So I would think that actually, do they have I'm actually not 100% sure. I think they have a specific value. Like if you buy it for a certain level, I think however much it is above a certain level, you get that value. And I feel like people will what is it? Kind of buy it for what it is. But wait, what was the question again? Yeah, trading they don't have as much volume. they may not have as much volume, but they move similar. They move this like kind of in the same kind of increments as the stock market. So I would still think you can get the money there. It's like I think if you have more volume in the stock market, you'll have more volume in futures. But honestly, I don't fully know. Needed to stay below 628. Well, it's trying to. It just put in a higher low, and now we just gotta hope it doesn't come and make a higher high. But also that if it makes a higher high, that could lead to a continuation to the downside, potentially. Is Wolf earnings call today? There is a microphone icon next to it. Here, let's see. Let's see. Their earnings call is Friday. Yeah, Wolf's earnings call is on Friday. Jerry Carr, VIX is printing money this week. Yeah, we got some volatility, so that would make sense. Could you kindly look at Palantir on 5? Here, let's see. Where's yeah, we can. I already have Palantir up, so yeah, we can look at that on the 5. There is Palantir on the 5. Honestly, at these levels, I don't really have much to say. There was a reason why I was zoomed out on it. That's like at these levels. I mean, it's in a downtrend. I can say that. And right now, I don't know. Waiting to see kind of what it does here. Oh. Lucid to the downside. Is that what you think is going to happen for earnings? Is that what you're saying? End of this week. Oh, you have to the end of this week, Philip? AMD and NVIDIA are trying to turn to the upside. Yeah, AMD has its earnings this evening. I would think. I'm personally of the belief that it could do that. It's gonna come up. Like I like AMD for upside. I got my shares still going. I don't have like a crazy amount of shares, but with the little $10 a day that I've been getting all year. Have I been doing this all year? Let me see when this started. I got about like a little over 6.5 shares of AMD. Let me see. When did I start this little recurring investment? Oh, started January 7th. So yeah, pretty much all year. Yeah, see Friday. Why is there a mic next? I have no idea. Maybe the previous earnings call. You said Wolf. I can look. I don't see a microphone anywhere. You said so. There's wait. Oh, you said you were talking about Wolf's earnings day. Oh, okay. Why is there? Yeah, I don't see a mic next to it anywhere. No idea. So Lucid earnings are today. Yeah, we'll see. Honestly, if Lucid, okay, so we're trying to make a higher high on the SPY. We'll see how this candle closes. If it just wants to close like fully bullish, hey, it might try to come back up higher, but if not, then maybe we're coming back down. But yeah, uh, we got after close. Yeah, we got Lucid, we got Rivian, we got Snap, we got SMCI and AMD, and Open Door, and some other stocks that I'm not as familiar with. Honestly, I'd be chill with Lucid coming down. I'd be chill with it coming down. Emery, top of the morning. You said, do I have any earnings plays? No. It's like if I get an earnings play, you probably want to get out of that earnings play. They don't typically go my way. And it's like when it should, like when everything goes well, it's like then some external factor for the overall market will it'll end up not going my way. So yeah, pushing up on the SPY now. This might be helpful for me, or be helpful for the thought of an entry. Um, so I would say kind of at this area that it's about to come to. This could be a like if there is going to be more downside, this could be a good area to enter for it. Where we're getting to. I'm not necessarily. I don't know. If we're really trying to get down to the nitty gritty, if we think we're going to keep selling off today, this will be a good area. But this is like, once again, when I say nitty gritty, I mean nitty gritty because this is kind of doing the most. This is a 5 minute supply zone. And also got the 48 EMA on the 5, which will also probably, it would line up with the 13 EMA on like the 15. I have shares of SoFi and Wolf. And there's a mic next to Wolf. Interesting. 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 My contract Robinhood. Hey, I'm sure. Hey, you'll get your answers like that if you contact Robinhood. Watch Lucid coming down to 2, then 190. There are more than 8.6 million shares outstanding at $2. Hey, that's cool with me. If Lucid wants to come down to $1, oh, I'll snap up a couple hundred. I'll be cool with that. Just kind of let them do what they do. See how they do in the future. Lucid, I'm watching for 210. If it dips, let me see what my wife's average is on Lucid. Let's see where we in that Lucid at. Lucid, where's it at? I might be in a different. Might have to look it over here. And Lucid at like 10.15 or 2.15. Dorothy, good morning. 275,000 shares at 3, not enough pressure from the upside. Hey, that could all change. Could all change. Is this on me? So pushing up. The last candle failed to confirm, but this one is trying to push up again. So we'll see. Nah, it's looking like it's fine, having a little trouble. What are my thoughts on SPY? So it looks like it's probably going to come down again. If I had to guess, the volume's pretty low though. Adam, top of the morning. But yeah, it looks like it wants to come down lower, but yeah, the volume on is pretty low. But I feel like in after hours, probably get a pop. Did I say hey Adam? Hey Adam. Did you make any big trades today or just watching? So no big trades today. No, it's like I kind of used the my morning for exercise, so I wasn't at the charts. So when I came, I saw everything had like kind of sold off. I was like, okay. So no big trades this morning. You make any big trades this morning, Jerry? Oh, no big trades. Hey, it was like if I make a big trade, you'll hear about it. You'll hear about it, or at least you'll at least hear about it on stream. No guarantees that there'll be a video, but on stream you'll hear about it. Sell off went straight to the VIX. Let's get a little overview of the VIX on the day. A wrong spot. So we had like a little spike up to 1896. Now we're kind of just selling off a little bit. All right, so I think we will sell off from here. If we come up to 630, I'll take a cheap put. Let's see if we can get like a new low on the day. But yeah, we have like no volume right now. Or low volume comparative to what's kind of been going on. Price is just like meandering around right now. Come back down to a lower time frame on AMD. Take it to 15. Yeah, that's going up. Let's check in on NVIDIA. Could have grabbed $40 profit on my SPY put. Oh yeah, we gotta get used to taking some profits. No, it just doesn't. So hey, we do have once again, hey, it's real nitpicky. But yeah, we got a supply zone right here. It's a 5-minute supply zone, so it's very, very weak. It doesn't necessarily take a crazy amount to take it out, so keep that in mind. But I think if it comes up here, worst case scenario is it comes up here and it kind of trades sideways for some time. If it trades sideways for some time, then I would say that's it getting taken out, and it might try to push up some more. But if it comes up just a couple candles and then comes down, hey, that's chill. Might come down some more. Up 16% on some calendar spreads on Snapchat. All right, got the SPY pushing up again. All of this on the 5 minute is still internal for this move down right here. That's still that's a solid range, honestly. Yeah, targeting and trying to play with that, it's not bad. Yeah, if it can come back up to like this 629.90, yeah, we can kind of say we got like a little range here, like a new little range. Let's see. Yeah, we can kind of draw this support and resistance. See if we can buy off one of those. Mine's thinking alike. I hope they turn out great. All right. Still got the SPY pushing up slowly. Palantir pushing up. Nvidia kind of slowly pushing up. AMD kind of slowly pushing up. Lucky J, what's up? Welcome, welcome. Bull back at $15. Hey, I'm not even trying to watch it too closely. Hey, when it gets to 22, let me know. For me, that's like a long swing, so watching the little bit gets me a little too eager. Caught that SPY drop this morning. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that was money if you caught it. All right, so we're pushing up. Also coming to this zone, this area. Let's see if I can get a little reversal action. Trying to push up a little bit. Let's see. Also look at the analysis for the day. 632. What's up, everybody? Just popping in before the end of my lunch break. Hey, what's up, Big Reg? Hey, I hope you enjoyed your lunch. I hope you had some good food. I know when I used to work, well, honestly, I couldn't really get too much that was good. But yo, if you're able, if you got some good stuff, good stuff right there. Just some fruit. I don't really eat heavy in work. Um, hey, they say fruit is a good fuel source. So I mean that's cool. All right, so we're trying to push it up. What was that? There was a trade I almost took it open. I forgot what it was. Oh, I think pretty sure I remember now. So the trade was based on looking at this almost as if it were a sweep of a liquidity level. I wasn't really sure whether to call this one of those levels or not, but honestly, if it's legit, it could push back up to 632 as well. Nah, that doesn't necessarily look like it'd be a. Sad I've been missing out on this money. Hey, the money's still here. And you can always add to the long term. You still getting money, so that's a blessing right there. You know exactly how much you got coming in too. Oh, let's see what we got going tomorrow. So that was today. Oh, we don't really have anything going on tomorrow outside our earnings. Are we still live? I had to step away. Yes, if you hear me reading this, yeah, we're still alive. Unless you're watching this and it is not something 28 right now, we're still alive. Yeah, I make decent money, so I'm good there, but man, it's been crazy. Have you had like increased hours, or is it just like, I don't know. They're trying to drain you. That's the trade I took, 632 call. Yeah, that might pay off, and it's like this it's like it could potentially be a sweep. Like this trade right here was a sweep of this, but usually after something's been swept or if it was a sweep, I wouldn't really consider that like liquidity to be captured. Like that's liquidity that's already been captured in my eyes. So it's like if this is a sweep of liquidity, we would expect this to come back to at least the 632 area, but I don't know. Lucky J with the trophies. 90 plus with high humidity every day, and I've been struggling to get back to sleep. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, sorry to hear that. Big Reg, have you been sick though? Have I got some remedies from you? Straight from the chat. All right. Hey, first one's gonna be, you take some onions, slip them things in your socks overnight while you're sleeping. Hey, last time I did that, I was better the next day I woke up. Was better the next day I woke up. And then the next one, I haven't done it, haven't tried it yet, but the oregano oil. I have the oregano oil now. They say, take some oregano oil while you're sick. Yeah, make you better. Okay, hey, we're getting up here. I think I'm try to take a cheap little put here. Let's see. Hold up. Oh dang! It already. That was a quick wick. Oh man, let's still see if. Wait, where's it at? Here, let's zoom in right here. Can we try to push up some more? Oh yeah, it's trying to push up some more. All right. So I grabbed a super cheap SPY 626 put, and I paid 15 per share for it. So this is gonna be. I'm not sure I would call it a lotto because I don't think I'm gonna just like completely let it go. But I want to see if there's if we can take this anywhere. So here, let me alert the family. Was it SPY 626 0 DTE paid 15 per share. Oh wait. High risk trade. There we go. Oh, I forgot to post a picture. There we go. Yeah, we'll see what happens there. Let me let me monitor that a little bit. All right, so our competitor is going to be, I guess, Theta. If we can get like what the delta's like 10, if we can get like I don't know, like a dollar move off that, that'll be clean. So this would be like a $2.50 move. That'd be over 100%. But yeah, if we can, here, let's slide that over. Honestly, good little movement already for that. Not option price wise, but like stock wise. Yeah. You said RIP to my put? Hey. If it's gonna come back, this is where it would be come back from. Open 242 down to I would say it depends on their earnings. Yeah, if the market wants to accelerate some more, then there's an opportunity for that, but I would just say it depends. Oh, my life be like, be sure that you can ingest the oregano oil. That is not the essential oil. You can get oregano oil and steep it in oil or make tea. Depends on what the. Hey, yeah. Once again, I haven't done that one myself yet. I got it. I got the stuff, but I have not actually done it yet. Are you taking a put because of the order block? Once again, I guess order blocks in supply and demand zones are the same. Um, but yeah, because of this little, I guess, 5 minute supply zone, that's what I'm looking at. But this is a very weak zone, so we're just seeing what happens. Like this isn't, I wouldn't call this high quality. We're just seeing what happens. This is an area where we could reverse. I still see us being in a downtrend, and this range, it has a solid range, so I think it has potential, but I don't think this is like a high quality trade. But it has, from entry, it's made like a little bit of movement. It's already gone like it's gone like 57 cents from entry. Or not from it. Yeah, from entry. It's trying. Or no, it didn't go that far. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. Natasha, good afternoon. Just getting off work. Hey, that's nice. That seems kind of early, but yeah, that's nice. I don't know what time you went in, but that seems like I would love to get off work this early if I had a job. Wouldn't I just follow the DJI? Or wouldn't it just follow the DJI? Broke college investor. I don't know what the Dow Jones, the DJI question is referring to. What's the number one in the crown next to my name? It looks like you are the chosen one for the top fan for the day, for the stream. It's a very prestigious accomplishment here in stream world. Well, there have been some days where we've had some pretty wild battles in the chat for that crown, so it's a blessing. Can you take a look at, okay, yeah. Let's do it, D Scurv. Okay, hey, so up $1 on that spy put. But okay. Oh wait, you said 4 hour, right? Okay. I'm seeing a little bit of a rip. That's what I'm seeing. But let's see. So we already had this one kind of drawn in. Oh wait, hold up. Spy trying to pull back a little more. Okay. Come on, Spy. All right, up 20%. Okay. That's $3. Okay. And I'm gonna say that is that's a solid, that right there, solid trade. If I got a closer strike, yeah, we already be cooling. But okay, LO. Here, let's see. Let's see on a shorter trend, looking for a trend or shorter term. Man, looks could have something like this going. I'm not sure. We could also. Nah, I like the first area we kind of did it from. Oh yeah, this is looking a little bit better on a 15 minute as well. This candle, yeah, this looks like a solid reversal. And then on the 13 EMA, it looks like a solid 13 EMA rejection. Might be able to take a little bit further. Hey, it's up 46%. Up $7. Let's get it. Let's get it. But yeah, okay, although if it were to come down as much as it could, it looks like it would contact this trend line at about 79 or so. Oh, there we go again. Hey, we're moving some more. There we go. Hey, hey, that's that. Hey, 53%. That's a solid trade right there on the spot. Had I got a more what is it? Had I got a more I don't know, but oh, Loki, I might have to repost this trade. Y'all saw like heard all my thoughts, everything I was looking at. This might be today's video because you see we got the range here. See we got the ultra ultra short time frame, but yo, it's pushing. It's going 80% too. Hey, we're here for it. All right, let's see. But I meant the SPY tracks the S&P and the S&P. I don't know. I would not. I don't think they move that closely. It's like they kind of move similarly, but the Dow, I would say like if you look at them percentage wise, it's going to be different. So I don't like to. I don't even pay attention to the Dow because the Dow is like 30 stocks and the S&P is like 500. So I would say the S&P is a stronger indicator, and I would say more follows that. So I would say if anything, I would say the Dow would follow more, but the Dow is I don't know. I don't consider them to be close enough personally, because there are some days that you'll have one up and the other down. That oregano oil game changer. The onions do work too though. Hey, top of the morning, Sarah, or whatever. I think you're an hour ahead, something like that. Well, good afternoon. Are you on? Yeah, so I have a spy put, a really cheap one. Probably should have just took profit, but it's up 60%. I'm just seeing what happens here. Well, darn, there goes my call out the window. We'll see. We'll see. Um, yeah, we'll have to see what happens, honestly. 626. I already took 27 profit on the spy. Hey, good stuff, Linus. Hey, way to snag that thing. Tracy, good day, good day. Spy 625 put and 629 put. Hmm. That's one way to do it. Y'all just hear my stomach go off? Yeah, I'm gonna have to eat something. I feel like I go through different phases while we're on stream. Like the first phase is like, yo, I'm trying to like recover. I'm just getting on stream. I'm just like extra tired from my run, and then it's like, all right, my energy is kind of coming back, but it's also like kind of low because I'm like, yo, I gotta eat something now. And then if I eat something, it's like, hey, what's up? What's up, everybody? But yeah, right now I'm over here grumbling. Oh, hey, we're still going, still going. Let's go. Hey, that's 100% now. 113. All right, let's get it. Oh, I wanna let y'all know or show y'all. There's a reason that I'm going for all these small trades and specifically going for this setup right now. Somebody commented on one of my videos. Let me see if I can bring it up. But like somebody commented on one of my videos and they were saying like I don't think y'all can see it right now. Oh, I think I can just pull it up on my phone. Let's see if I can bring it up. All right, let's see. I guess I gotta bring it. Here we go. Can we? Where's it at? Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing. Well, anyways, somebody left a comment. Anyways, they said, Matthew, you can't really think you're teaching people how to trade like this. Stop the madness. This is not trading. People will lose their shirt. All right, and right here we got $15, and right now it's that $15 is $37, and I feel like I pay more than $15 for lunch. Oh, let's see. So all this week, I'm trying to find stuff like this or just not trade at all. That's why there was no trade yesterday. Here, let's see. Dang, should have entered with you. Perfect time to show how to place a stop loss. That would be true. So I took this on Robinhood though. It's like I usually just like to. Yeah, I mean we can try. I can show how to. I can record a video on how to. Let's see. I think I low key think I have one though. I think I've like recently. It would be like the exact same video I recorded. Hold up, let me check. Like I'm pretty sure I got like a very recent, or like within the past couple months. Let's see. View my channel. Videos. Yeah. It's like if we look at my channel, like right here, this video right here, 6 months ago, I already kind of posted it this year. How to set a stop loss for Robinhood or on Robinhood. And it's like I actually go in and like show on that one. Here, let's see. Went in knowing it would be a risky trade, but closed it at. Yeah, I meant to take profit on it too. I'll see if we can get back here, but that's cool. Hey, way to not be greedy. I'll probably cut out too. Let's see. Lose our shirts already happened this past year. We all lost 40 to 50%. Hey, 100%. We are responsible for our trades, not you. That's wild that they would make that comment. Hey, while you're still here, might as well hit the like button. We still have a... Oh yeah, we gotta... Hey, smash the like button. Get the ratio looking right, family. All right, so I took profit on it. I didn't take profit when I should have, but took profit on it. Just took profit at 22 per share. Oh. All right, so think probably got out right there, but the trade came here. If I wasn't like looking for that stop loss video, I probably would have got out at a better price. Let's see. What are they talking about? Even if the play goes to 0? Nah, for real. That's I think it was specifically like if we look at the video, I think it was on this video right here with the $50 SPY contracts. I have a theory though. I have like a theory that like every video I post where it's like this strategy with the liquidity sweep. I don't think y'all know, but I think this is like a kind of like a, I don't know, a guru secret. Like if you watch all these videos where people they just make it look like they're extra nice with trading, I feel like they're saying a lot of other stuff, but like subconsciously you can see that this is what's going on, or like behind the scenes you can see, oh, there's that setup there. So it's like I feel like it's a secret, and it's like once you kind of figure it out, it's like it's kind of easy if you can spot it. And it's like every video I make on this strategy, it's like it's always like 1 or 2 people that thumbs down, but it's like, yo, I'm risking like nothing to do this, and it's like free, and it's like live, and I'm like showing you. Let's see. I definitely learned more from this channel than any other YouTube channels I took to put today using what I've learned, and I just made a little more. Hey, good stuff, Ubaka. Exactly, you don't make us take the trades, people. Hey, 100%. It's like, yo, when I take something that I think is bad, I'm like, yo, I might lose this, but it's all good. But yeah, with that movement we just got, kind of looking at it. Let's zoom out. I don't even know how I feel about it. Like I'm trying to just look at. Here, let's go out to like a 1 hour. See what that looks like. Okay, so on the 1 hour. Actually, let's see. All right, so if we're looking on the 1 hour, the current range right now is, I guess it's technically bearish on the 1 hour. This would be the range on the 1 hour. I'm probably not going to make any more trades today, but just like looking for the next move. This would be the range on the 1 hour, and now what we would need to do is wait. Wherever this range pushes is wherever it pushes. And like what we would be looking for is for, I guess, the next candlestick that's or the next 1 hour candle, or actually, what's it look like on the 15? Oh, so yeah, wow, 30. Okay, that's a 30-minute range too. So I don't know. It could be 30-minute or 1 hour. I'd probably look to 1 hour, but I would look for the first candle that I guess closes black. And after that happens, I would look at the highest point, mark that as liquidity. Like say, I don't know, say we continue to push up to here, and then we finally get a black candle, and it pulls back to here. We would mark this as a liquidity, and then after that, after it, like, I don't know, does what it does and comes up here, maybe it comes up here, but like after it comes up here, we would do that, and we would look for it to either come back to this 628 level or down to this 627 area, and that would be kind of the next move. But I'll probably end up missing out on this, to be honest, but that would be like the next move here. Very welcome, issue. I have learned a lot thanks to you, and I appreciate it. You have brought a different perspective, and it has helped. Think we all still need to learn. Oh no, yeah, for real. It's like I'm still learning every day too, and then sometimes I gotta like relearn. It's like y'all teach me a lot too. Hood is def in a downtrend since. Here, let's see. On the weekly, Hood was looking like let me see. Yeah, I personally I gotta hold out till at least the end of the week to see what it's like. I think I got like 2 weeks of time on that Robinhood. It's like Robinhood is kind of choppy. So like the thing about Robinhood, yeah, you can kind of say, yeah, it's in a downtrend since like over here. But yeah, I still see it holding this trend line. I feel like once it breaks this one, it'll be like, it could be a bigger, faster fall. But sometimes it also tries to break and then retest the other side. Great explanation. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate all you. Appreciate you, Anello. Very welcome, Janky. Everyone is learning. Definitely an ongoing process. Yeah, I like to think the day you stop learning, kind of I don't know, it's kind of morbid, but it's like it's the day you die. Like you stop progressing, you stop moving forward. I don't know if I've talked about this with y'all. I know I've talked about it with people recently, but I saw something and someone said something. It was like they said like the way they kind of do their life is every year they have like one big thing they're kind of working for, and like one big thing every year. Maybe every 2 months they'll have like some kind of like excursion or trip that they go to, and then I don't know, there were some other things too, but like them having some big thing they're working for every year, kind of, it's like having that every year kind of has, I don't know, that's like by the time you look back on your life, it's like you have lived a lot of lives doing that. Like this year, my big thing would be a marathon, but it's like there are a lot of other things I want to do. It's like I would like to do jujitsu. I don't want to like fight and compete, but I would like to learn jujitsu. I would like to learn to speak more languages. I would like to get like good at tennis and all that stuff. And it's like if I kind of break it down year by year, where I'm like, oh, I'm going in on this in my free time. It's like, oh, you can get kind of nice with it. And it's like over time, as you kind of age and like progress, it's like, oh, you have all these skills and all these different lives you've lived and all these like different kind of things you're able to relate with. So it's like this year I'm running a marathon, but it's like, oh, next year I don't know what I'll be doing. Or I got some ideas, but we'll see. And it's just exciting to think about. It's like that way you always kind of have something to kind of like push for and pursue. It's kind of cool. Yo, APLD is at $14. If it gets above like what is it, 15? Here, let's slide this up here. 1547. I guess that would potentially be breakout level. That's like the next kind of, well, there's resistance at like, what is this 1455 area, but yeah, that's the big resistance. This is a weekly chart. It hasn't been above that since like, I guess March of 2022. I didn't even know it existed back then. So I'm familiar with this company. We got a lot of volume on APLD in June. Like a lot. Like way more than any month. That's kind of crazy. So it like pushed up to, hold up, I hear my wife. I think she has food. I might have to see if she has a little snack. I'll be right back, family. Be right back. Robinhood pulling back on the 4-hour. Yeah, I'll be right back. Ooh. Oh yeah, we back. We are back. Okay. Hey everyone, hope your day is going well. What's up, Natalie? You know, all is well over here. I hope all is well with you. Wife just brought some snacks. Only thing is, it's a little messy. Should have grabbed the plate. I'm not trying to mess up my desk area. All right. Since I'm like likely done taking new trades, let's like do some earnings like previews or whatever. What's today? So we got AMD after close. All right, we'll pull. I think we got AMD right there. What else we got? Any trades going? We took a put on the SPY. But we kind of no more trades. I would say honestly, probably not going to take any more trades today. I'm just about to maybe look at what could potentially happen with earnings, but I don't think I'll take any more trades today. SMCI. Let's see. Made 2,800 on the recent puts we just took. Hey, good stuff, Steve. Hey, that sounds like some good money right there. Love to hear it. Honestly, you probably would have benefited by getting a couple strikes closer to the money. I was just trying to actually, I don't know. I guess it just kind of depends. If I wanted to trade for a leap option, do you have a video on how and what to look for in the stock to make it? Oh, I don't think so. I guess I'm still trying to like put that criteria together myself. I would say the closest thing I would say to that, it would probably be, where is it? This video right here. This is kind of what I look for and go for when it comes to picking out my leap options. This is how I pick them out. Like I pick them out based on like how much time, and then I look at the Greeks, and like, honestly, I feel like it's very underrated with 5,000 views. But I think that video is a banger right there, personally. But I don't have one specifically for like picking out leaps. But I would kind of like look at the charts on maybe like the weekly chart, and then I would probably like here, let's say right here, let's say was like looking at UNH. Oh, it's trying to react here. I don't know. But say looking at UNH, I'm watching this move down it made, and I wanted to try to like play on that. I don't know if I look at the weekly or the monthly. Yeah, yeah. So looking at UNH, the leap that I would be looking for, or the area I would want to probably start thinking about profits for me personally, I would so there's something called a fib. I would probably take that and draw that from the start of the move down to the bottom of that first move, so right here down to the low of this week, and then that kind of gets us right here, which is 427. So with that 427 from wherever I'm entering the trade, which right now is right here over at like 250, going to 427, that is $175 of movement. Another thing that you can do to kind of test is like this right here is a this is a this is a leap as well. This is down because it's come down. I didn't buy this, but you can also simulate the price. So if we thought it was coming to 427, this is where UNH would be today if it were at 427. If I thought, oh, maybe by January, this is where it would be. If I thought maybe it would take longer, this is where it would be. And this one right now for UNH, it's like currently down on it. But if it gets to the area I'm thinking of, buy that area. From where I got in on this, it'd be up $6,000. But from where it's at right now, it'd be up like $8,000. So I would kind of just take that stuff into account. But I think that video would help a lot. Made $8 today. Gotta start somewhere. Hey, if you can do it with a little, you can. I'm not going to necessarily say you can do it with a lot, but you can keep training up and do it with a lot. It's like having that skill of doing it with a little bit. It's easier like when you know how to do it with a little. When you get a lot. Loving these charts. Would you use top down going from month, weekly, daily? I personally, on the cool, I usually skip over the daily, but yes, that's how I would do it. Major support there. What site is that? So this is going to be Trading View. This is the website. The only thing I would say about this is you have to pay for it. So like a good like kind of second will be like not Robinhood. A good second would be Webull, their desktop trading platform. I made a video within the past week on theirs on how to like, I guess, set up something similar. What's your thoughts on putting in a call or put option on stocks with earnings or news that may go up or down? So when I do that, I am completely ready to lose all that money. So something that commonly happens. So here, let's take a look at AMD, for example, just to kind of explain it to you. So here, we're looking at AMD over here on the top right. We're going to pull up an AMD at the money contract to get the expected move. Here, let's see. So yeah, we're going to pull up AMD. So AMD is, okay, we're going for the one this Friday that expires this Friday. And right now AMD is trading at just below 176. Oh, these are kind of, I don't know. All right, so actually we're going to get the one a little bit in the money. All right, so break even is going to be at 182.60 and the contract is 765. So here, let's see. And then when we flip to look at the, where is it? When we flip to look at the puts, this one's going to be a little out of the money, but break even is going to be 168.32. All right, so for right now, the expected move on AMD is about 650 to the upside and about 750 to the downside. All right, so with that in mind, if AMD comes anywhere between these levels, if we open tomorrow and it's anywhere between these levels, there's a good chance your contract will be a lot cheaper. Like right now, the the contract is going for like, here, let's see, the put is going for 670. There's a good chance this 175 put, if it's 175 tomorrow, instead of it being 675, because it didn't move, it'll likely be around $100. So yeah, if you don't get movement, there is usually you just lose a lot of money. A lot of times whenever earnings occur, you'll notice that or what I've noticed is a lot of times you'll get like a big move to the upside after hours, a big move to the downside after hours, and then like by the time the market is open, it may be up a little bit, it may be down a little bit, but it hasn't moved much at all. And it's like if we don't move outside of this range, you haven't really made money, and you more than likely lost money. And another thing about like it's still being in this range at open, it's like if it's in this range at the same price, that contract that was 670 is now like maybe like 120. And it's like it's still possible that it can still make the move that it's going to make. So I personally prefer to make like a more informed decision after it's come in, and I've been burned on earnings like too many times. So it's like I personally think the move is to wait. But there are times where you get kind of paid to go in early. There have been times with like a Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia. Honestly, if we're being real, like looking at a Palantir last night, from where they closed, I think they closed around like 161 yesterday. Yeah, they closed at 161. And then where'd they open today? No, yesterday, hold up. Yesterday was Monday. No, they closed around like 167. No. No, they closed around 167 yesterday. So market close was on this candle right there at like 167, and then they opened today right here. So there's like that's like a $7 move. That's not a bad move. Or actually here, let's actually get a little bit more precise. All right, so market open. Let's come down a little bit more. All right, so they opened up at 172. So if you wanted any of that, you missed out on like $6 of movement. Honestly, I think it was pricing in more. I can't 100% sure, but I think it was pricing in more, and it actually looks like it came down to 170 first. So you would have had the opportunity to get it for the same price or less, if you were being quick and you were watching and you really wanted it. So that's kind of my take on that. Okay, I'm 2 for 4 today, 50%. Hey, it happens. That's actually a good kind of ratio. Depending on like your risk to reward, that's good. Oh, I know TradingView. I meant the site you use for. Oh, so the simulation. This is Robinhood. So, if you go to Robinhood and you want to look at a contract, you can add it to the watch list, and you can go to your watch list. And when you go to it, you can click on Simulate My Returns, and then you can either kind of slide the price around, or you can type in whatever you want it to be and kind of see how it goes. But yeah, that's going to be the whole simulation thing. Yeah, that's just Robinhood. But yeah, I love that feature. I think it's amazing. All right, so I want to take this time to say, hey, we are looking good on like the ratio, like the alert to like ratio. But I feel like there may be people in the woodworks. We're like 15 away from being free. Is there anyone out there in the woodworks that can come out, smash the like button, and help free the family? Thanks for breaking that down with the numbers. Hey, you're very welcome, Gerald. Just need to learn where to find all that. Hey, once again, let me drop. Where we go? Where is it at? May take some time to get through it, but this playlist like covers the majority of that. The simulated returns and watch list is hey, for real. Honestly, other platforms need to follow suit. I didn't say anything, but my second like was number 78. Appreciate that, family. Hey, 85. Hey, 85 was looking good. We're at 89 now. Hey, it's making progress. Oh, 90. Okay, I see y'all. Hey, making a little push. I think we got it, family. We're pretty close. Pretty close. Doing the thing. I feel like I got a little tension. Mr. Chudo 88, appreciate you. Thumbs up. Let's see. Oh, it's been a minute since we gave Lucky J a little. Let's see. Oh shoot, is that an octopus? Okay. Yeah. There we go. There's 8 right there. 8 thumbs up right there. All right, back to what I was originally trying to do. I was trying to come on and get kind of like an earnings preview thing going. So we got AMD, SMCI, Open Door. Okay, what's it? Is it open? Looks like Tesla break the 200 EMA. Let's see. Where'd they go? Oh, there you go. On what time frame? Here, I'll turn it on. Yeah, Tesla's doing a lot of consolidation right now. Tesla's like a no-no for me at the moment. All right, I might have to make a mess. It's just been staring at me. Oh shit, I see y'all with the lights. Oh, you said on a 1 minute. Hey, you're like in there on the charts. In there. It hasn't confirmed yet though. It's trying though. I want a more comfortable office chair. If y'all have like any recommendations that aren't like crazy on price, honestly, like if y'all have any y'all use that y'all think are comfortable, and when I say crazy on price, I'm not saying more than $200 is crazy, but office chair, even though I'm probably should as much time as I spend in it. Y'all let me know, cause this chair, it looks all right and all, but I think I had like a $50 chair before this. I kind of miss it. It was a lot more comfortable, but I think I gave it away. I want it back. Oh, looking really good with the likes, family. Like we are getting close. All right, Linus, you got your confirmation. It's definitely, hey, it's above the 200 now. We're still pushing on the SPY. What's up, Respucia? If I'm trading options with 7K and doing the right things, is it possible to make an extra 2K a month? I'm strict on risk management. Yeah, it's possible, for sure. Um, yeah, I would definitely say that. I would say even if you're risking like, I don't know I don't know how frequent you trade or like what your, yeah, I don't know like your trading frequency, but 2K a month, 2K divided by 4, that's going to be like 500 a week. And if you had to take that into like assuming you only had 3-day trades a week, if you had to divide 500 by 3, let's see. That's like an average of 170 per trade. If I were trying to do that and not be like 2. Here, let's see. Yeah, I would say you could risk like maybe 10% of your account, get like multiple contracts on some of these trades, and I would say you could do that with like three times a week. Like just kind of looking for good setups. Like if you went for if you did the trades that, I'm not saying like to necessarily do exactly what I'm doing, but like if you got the same trades like with an extra day, like you would still have the money to do that with the using 10% of your account, get an extra day, and then, or actually you may not even need an extra day, but if you just like got at the money contracts, maybe got like 5 of them, That probably wouldn't even be half of your. That probably wouldn't even be half of that $700 budget if you did that 3 times a week. Whenever I said, "Oh, this looks like a high conviction move," there goes all my money. I don't understand why SPY isn't selling off this. So when it comes to the whole week, I still think SPY will sell off, but like when it comes to the market structure, we created this range on the 4 hour, and then it looks like we created a range on the oh, this was our pullback. So ideally, when it comes to looking for a larger downside sell, it'll be whenever we come back up here on the SPY, this 637 range. So I would say until then, it's like we're doing work on shorter time frames, but no, I wouldn't necessarily say there's been news. I would say actually there has been news I would consider to be positive. Like there's been kind of positive, like, oh, looks like we're getting closer to a deal with China. Looks, and then like, oh, good company earnings, because typically around like earnings season, earnings kind of wins for the news. But honestly, I was surprised to see us like sell off like we did this morning. I may have missed some news, but I was surprised to see us sold off like that. But yeah, right now, no strong certainty until like this three or 637. The move here, I'm not sure if I would take a day trade, or I'm not sure if it would be a day trade, maybe more time. But ideally, the entry is going to be here, and we could even push a little past this and it still be okay. So that's downside wise. What, this is from 637. Yeah, there would need to be a wide stop loss, so it's like maybe get more time, but it's like maybe have a full position up here, but this is where we would take entry over here. Oh, why do we have the Q's up right here? There we go. And then SPY setup still be a 3-to-1 even with that stop loss, which means you could take this trade 3 times and still, or get this trade wrong 3 times and get it right once and still profit. Yeah, who was it? Wait, okay. You said, could you check if Tesla is breaking the accumulation? Oh, you mean the consolidation? Like higher time frame? No, Tesla is still consolidating. Like until Tesla is like above, like until Tesla's like, I don't know, 313, 315, it's still consolidating, but it's on the day, yeah, it has an uptrend. Like it's that was yeah, once it kind of broke and retested the 200, yo, it was a little run from there. Hey, peace out, D Scurv. Have a blessed day. Get that money, get that money. I don't know why some of this stuff is coming in a little later for me. How's the SPY doing on the day? I see we're 52. Oh yeah, we're in the red. I need to clean up. Or clean up my desk. Looks like SPY and QQQ trying to pull back up. That they are, yeah. They're trying to show some strength. Hey, y'all, let me know if the audio starts crackling. Cause that happens sometimes. Gucci Lau, what we looking at? That's a lot of eyeballs right there. All 6 of them. All right, cool. Glad to hear it, Levi. All right, here let's look at Open Door once more. All right, let's go to a weekly. Yeah, I don't even know what to say about this, honestly. But they do look like they're about to cross the upside. I think a retest to this 155 or 91 level, those look attractive if you're trying to do something like that on Open Door. Let's see, SMCI. Got a strong kind of uptrend. but they are at an area of resistance. Here, let's zoom out a little more. Okay, so they are back above a trend. Okay. Let's clear some stuff out. Got a lot of stuff on SMCI. So they set some liquidity there. Okay. Oh, there's appears to be some liquidity / resistance at like 67. Beyond that, you got kind of this 70, 75 area. I don't know what to say about that. 96 likes, great work. Oh, hold up, we're gonna have to come in and finish it out. What is that? Alright, let's come back down to a 5 on the SPY. Wait, what time frame was that just? Oh yeah, that's the 1 hour. Alright, so we got a little pullback on the. Actually, no, we still need to. Here, let me clear out that. Could find some resistance at this 630 area on the SPY. Okay, hey, I see you like number 97. You're more than just a number, but definitely been recognized for that number. Okay, money with AI. Okay. AI, are those your initials? Arthur Iverson, Allen Iverson, Alex. I can't think of any last I names. I cannot think of I names, last names. Angie B, good afternoon. Top of the afternoon. Hey, happy to have you stopping by. Yeah, Spy doesn't want to get above this 630 level. Or actually, it's kind of trying a little bit. Just a regular artificial intelligence. Okay, I just saw the A.I, so I wasn't sure. What time do you normally go live? 10:30 Central Time. Once again, let me remind y'all, I will not be live tomorrow. I'm going to be at a conference. So, yes, this will be the first time outside of AT&T messing up the internet, it'll be the first time I didn't go live. I'm a miss y'all tomorrow. But hopefully I'll be taking in some good information. All right, look at the SPY trying to push a little bit. Trying to push a little bit. Oh yeah, we're right there, family. We'll definitely be missed. Appreciate you, Sarah. That is when the markets are. Yeah, the markets are already open. So the markets will have been open for 2 hours by the time I get on stream. I like to let the market kind of set a skeleton for the day first. And what I found is most of the time, by that time, it's already kind of done all the crazy stuff that would make it hard to kind of catch and follow. So I like that time more. Good reason, unlike AT&T. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're right there at 99. Right there at 99. So close. Oh, hold up. Let's see. Yeah, we are like right there. Let's see. I can make this right. Y'all, my wife just made food. So I think we might have to end the stream early. Hold up. Let me get that like in real quick. But yeah, my wife just said food is ready. So may have to. Oh, y'all trying to play with the likes. Okay, we did it though. Hey, we did it. Still made it happen. But yeah. With that being said, family. Okay, hey, we pushed even further. 101. Good stuff. We are free. All right, so that being said, family, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. I hope if y'all are in any trades or riding any trades, taking more trades, I hope they work out going your way. And yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Linus. Peace out, Respucia. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, JoJo. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Gucci Loud. Peace out, Money with AI. Peace out, Angie B. Peace out, Sarah. Peace out, Natasha. Yo, y'all have a blessed day. Peace out, Osama. I don't necessarily have I don't know, I want to say like 632 from there. 630, looks like there's some light at 631. 632. Just look to the next dollar, I would say. Peace out, XO Cole. Peace out, Wubaka. And yeah, with that being said, yeah, Matthew Manuel signing out. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family.